Good morning, students. Today is Friday, May 22nd. It is the Friday before Memorial Day weekend, so you'll have a 3-day weekend. So look forward to that. We're just going to go over really quickly your new updated expectations for the Friday tic-tac-toe menu. So the menu is the directions look a little different. The directions are split into two options. So the first thing you need to do when you start today's work is to pick one of these options and work on it completely. So the first option is to spend 30 minutes on catch-up work for ELA. So if you have anything missing from any of your lessons this week, Monday through Thursday, you need to do this step, okay? And you should work for at least 30 minutes. And by the end of today, you should have everything else done for this week. So you should have no missing assignments. So that's your first option. Now, the second option is if you don't have any missing work for ELA. So then this option is if you have completed everything, then you can push yourself. You can either join the Learning Extension class on Otis and work on this for 30 minutes, or you can complete a tic-tac-toe from the win board on the next page. So just a reminder, this is how to join the middle school extension class on Otis. So it is on the bottom, the last page of this document. And that is the first part of this option. So that's one of the things you can do for option 2. The next part for option 2 would be to complete a tic-tac-toe in this tic-tac-toe box. So remember, tic-tac-toe is 3 in a row, and it can go horizontally. So like you would do 1, 2, and 3. Vertically, like 3, 6, and 9, or diagonally 1, 5, and 9, or 7, 5, and 3. And once you are done, this is the most important part. Once you are done, you need to complete the win form, which you can access here. And you need to go through, and there are several steps, several pages that you're going to have to fill out to tell us which of these options you chose and what you worked on. And it says down here, this step is important because this is how you get credit in Infinite Campus. If you do not submit the winning combination form, you will not have credit for doing any of these things, even if you completed everything. So the only way to tell us that you did this is to fill out this form. So please remember to do that. Once that is done, remember this is the form in another, you can access it through this tile as well. So it takes you to the exact same spot here. Just please make sure you mark them as complete as well. And that is it. So if you have any questions, please email and let us know. But this should be a little bit more simplified, and hopefully this is a little easier to understand, and you won't have as many questions as we have had in the past. So happy Friday and good luck.